off to the Florida Mall. This is us going up Sand Lake Road. It's only about 10-15 minutes away, isn't it?
10-15 minutes, but
yeah, so this is us going up there.
I don't know how much I'll film today because some of the shops are a bit strange when you're filming inside them, but I'll show you what I can. So they've actually got a hotel inside the mall. Apparently it's quite a nice hotel. They've also got plenty of seats, so while your other half's in the shops browsing, you can sit and watch TV. Lots of good stuff in the shop. Advent calendar. That's the figures you get.
You get a wee Dobby look and a wee head look.
That's $40. You can get a Yoda mask. Rock and roll Chewbacca. If you like your pop vinyl figures, you should really come to this shop. I think you might get what you're looking for in here. We've got a few. So I was Think Geek. That's just beside GC Penny's. Found the Hot Topic shop. Leads us straight in here.
Nice. Oh look!
You get nifflers, slippers. Look at that. Disney. It's a Stitch onesie. Anybody likes Riverdale, they've got some items here as well. More Harry Potter merchandise. Deadpool tackle holder. That's what everybody needs when they're watching TV at night time. Got a large Christmas shop in the Florida Mall, and that's what we're in just now. So we can pick up any knickknacks for Christmas. Another one for the Florida guy. Bud Light. Some cool stuff in this shop. Coming to theatres 2018. Jumped in the car, 5-minute drive over to the mall at Millennia. This is the best mall apparently, because it's got one of the best shops or restaurants in Florida. It just so happens I drove in the car park. I came out at the right spot. Zoom in. We can see that. Cheesecake Factory. We're going to go for lunch because hopefully it's quite quiet. Oh look, pumpkin. So much choice, eh? I like how it tells you the calories beside them. The red velvet one, which was quite interesting. I was looking at that. I think that's got 1,500 calories on it per slice, I think that is. First stop at the mall, Millennia, Cheesecake Factory. Liz, what's happening? Like I said, give yourself plenty of time to read the menus, because the menu is huge. Quite thick.
Got a book.
Got a book. They do a smaller lunch portion as well. So personally I would advise you get a smaller portion of lunch and then get a bit of cheesecake, because the cheesecakes are huge. So once you pick your mains, then you can look at the cheesecakes. As you can see, there's a few to choose from. 2 pages of cheesecakes. Good thing is, if you're being moderately healthy, it will tell you the calories beside it. if you're interested in that. I think I've seen one of the cheesecake was the red velvet cheesecake, ultimate red velvet. They said a slice of that was about 1,500 calories. So
there's an Oreo Dream Extreme cheesecake, that's 1,620.
there you go.
That's the highest, I think.
You've got your, where are we? You've got your low carb cheesecakes, which use Splenda, obviously instead of sugar. So they might taste slightly different, but if you notice, a lot less calories, if you're interested in that sort of thing. I don't think you come to Cheesecake Factory for that. So this is a small portion, a lunch portion of the pasta. So you need to make room for the dessert. Looks good. I think she might struggle with this. No, I don't think she likes it, no.
This is Billy's beard now. Yes, had some. Thank you.
Quite good.
Quite tasty, isn't it?
That was a difficult decision. Such a big menu, but I finally made my choice. I'm going to go try the salted caramel cheesecake. I've not had that before, so I'm looking forward to trying that. Leslie's playing it safe. She's going for her old favourite.
Yeah, I'm going for fresh strawberries. It's only 990 calories, so I'm saving a bit few more than less than Billy. I don't care, I'm in holiday. I'll walk off in Magic Kingdom or something.
It's arrived. It doesn't look that big. You manage this quite easily actually. This is my salted caramel cheesecake. It's quite small. Leslie went for our usual, the strawberry cheesecake.
Yep.
Leslie's about to dig in. I don't think she likes it either.
Oh, I taste no pudding.
This is new. I've not tried this before.
This is salted caramel.
Yeah. So you got cream.
Does he like it or does he not?
Yes.
He likes it.
It's nice and rich. It's very, there's a lot of flavour in it, you know what I mean? I like the salted caramel. That's a good choice, I think. I may struggle to finish it though. It's quite a lot.
You just said it's not very big.
No, it's quite rich, quite filling. I'll give it a good try. Great, dig in. I can't eat more. A beat. I'm going to eat one plate.
We're both done. Good effort.
That's done well. Could do a lie down now.
Nope, we're hitting the shops.
I've got to check. I've got to check actually when the dessert came. I'm going to guess.
I'm going at 54.
Well, this is going for $54. So I'll go for 48 then. I'm going for $48, let's go for 54. We're both wrong by the way, both wrong. So what is it? Oh god. So 2 sodas, 2 lunches, cheesecake comes to $62.73. That'll fill us up hopefully for the rest of the day. Maybe we get a wee snack later on, but not much.
Speak for yourself.
Yeah. Well, Leslie's going to have a bigger snack later on, she says.
No chance. I'm not having anything.
Well, sorry I never got a chance to vlog much today. We're in and out of shops and you know what it's like. I made it to Magic Kingdom. The car said it's still 82 degrees and the time is, I just checked my new watch, time is 7:30 and it's still 82 degrees. The park shuts at 10 tonight, happily we're after 9. So we should be able to see that, then ride. What's the last fast pass we got? Good Pirates. Pirates in Big Thunder.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
It's good to be back in Disney.
Well, you've missed it for 2 days, eh?
Oh, I have missed it.
Car park didn't seem that busy. I thought it'd be nice and quiet today. It's quite dangerous trying to vlog on Main Street. There's far too many people. It's absolutely heaving tonight. We're going to go and do a fast pass at Pirates. There's people taking their positions already for the parade.
Very busy already. You might struggle to get somewhere.
And they've got over an hour to go for the fireworks, sorry. And there's people taking up positions already. We're going to do a fast pass, come back and see if we can get a spot. Obviously I want to get close to the castle to see the projections, but we'll see what happens. We're coming up on the Pirates now. It's one of the best rides at Disney, I think. One of my favourites.
Not unless you've watched the
What's that?
YouTube channel for YouTube for Shanghai.
Right.
It's amazing.
That's good.
Hey, send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Drink up me hearties.
Crowds are wild. That was Happily Ever After.
Which was excellent. And I may say the wrong thing here, some people may not like it. And Wishes was my first love, but I think it's much better than Wishes by far. It was so good.
We were right down middle of Main Street, so we didn't have a great view of it, but even then, I still say yes. It's quite a bit, because of the projections as well, that. Wishes didn't have that.
Well, it did a wee bit, but not to the same
They
time.
were all tied together quite nicely.
But I wouldn't like to be right down the bottom of Main Street.
Oh no.
You wouldn't get good projections then.
No.
But it was fabulous. It was really, really good.
Yes, I agree. Even though Wishes was the first one we've seen. I know I filmed it all because it's really difficult to film that in those crowds.
Yeah.
Because there's people jumping up in front of you. Some people put on cameras out in front of you.
If you were down the front, you might get it better.
Yeah.
But
But I got wee snippets, so I'll put them in the vlog. I'm sure there's loads of videos on YouTube which give you a much better view and they give you the whole show.
Yeah, there is.
You don't want to try and film it, you want to enjoy it. We've got a fast pass for Big Thunder, we can forget that. So we're going to head over there now.
Big Thunder's good in the dark. I like it in the dark.
Just let the park clear out a bit because the queues down Main Street are just horrendous just now.
Big Thunder Mountain was really good.
That was.
So much better in the dark and at the back.
Yeah. So Alyssa's got a plan. She's quite confident. They might go in 7 Dwarfs. No joy there.
You went and checked the queue,
Yeah,
didn't you?
it looked pretty long. It said, what did it say on the board? 50
50 minutes.
50 minutes, and I think it's not far off that. You know, so.
We're going for Billy's favourite now.
What's that?
Small World.
I thought you were going to say Haunted Mansion. Well, you know what I'm going to say? King of the boat.
Yep.
Yep.
Moving on. We might wait for someone else.
King of the boat. There's no turning back now. Too late. Unfortunately, that's it. Small World's over. Oh, goes by too quickly on that ride, I think.
I get a hint of sarcasm in there.
Tomorrow, we're supposed to be going to Busch Gardens, but we'll see. We might discuss and change plans, see how we feel. But I'm going to end the vlog here.
Yeah, it's a nice view of the castle to end the vlog.
Yep. So, hope it wasn't too boring today. I'll leave you with a nice view of the castle. What is that?